Hello friends, welcome to my embedded school. In previous video, we learned about basic setup with Raspberry Pi Pico W and how to blink onboard LED. In this video, we'll be learning how to read a digital input and toggle an LED. Before start this video, I want to introduce you to an amazing PCB manufacturing service that JLCPCB. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, JLCPCB offers high-quality PCB manufacturing and assembly services at unbeatable prices. JLCPCB provides affordable pricing. You can get your PCBs manufactured for as low as $2 for 5 PCBs. That's right, high-quality PCBs at a fraction of the cost. Ordering from JLCPCB is super easy. Just upload your Gerber files, choose your specifications, and place your order. Their user-friendly interface makes the whole process a breeze. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable PCB manufacturing and assembly service, then JLCPCB is best option for this service. Now let's go to the main topic of this video. First, let's go over the components you'll need for this project. You'll need a Raspberry Pi Pico W, an LED, a push button, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. Now let's set up our circuit. Connect the LED to GPIO pin 17 and the push button to GPIO pin 14. Don't forget to use a 220 ohms resistor with the LED to prevent it from burning out. Next, open Thonny IDE. We'll write the code to read the push button input and toggle the LED. I have written code already. Let's understand. First, we import the pin function from the machine library. Then import the sleep function from the time library. Now we define GPIO pin 14 as input pin with pull-up function and define as button. You can define button pin as a pull-down. There are built-in features in the Raspberry Pi Pico. Now, we GPIO pin 17 as an output and define it as LED. Our setup is now complete. Now, first check our button value via the print function. Note that if you pull up the input pin, then your initial value must be 1. And if you pull down the pin, then your initial value will be 0. Why is a pull-up or a pull-down resistor required in case of input to the microcontroller? If you know something about this topic, please write in the comments section below. In the future, we will learn about this topic. Let's come into main point. For checking the input value from the push button, we create a while loop. In the while loop, we print the value of the push button using the print function and give some delay. Let's run code. Yes, our code is now running. You can see that the value of the push button is 1 because we pull up the microcontroller pin. Now we change the code to toggle LED using a push button. When the button is pressed, the input value goes to 0. So we can write in the while loop that if the button value is going to 0, then the LED toggle. Toggle means if LED is off, then LED goes on and vice versa. After that, give some delay in microseconds for rechecking button value. Sometimes, due to signal noise, the microcontroller detects pin values either high or low. So, we recheck the button value after 100 microseconds to see if that is 1 or not. So, let's check without rechecking button value. You can see that the LED is on or off randomly. Now we run code with a recheck button value after some delay. You can clearly see that now the LED is perfectly toggled. But we have one more problem. Let's see. When I press the continuously push button, then the LED toggled continuously. If I press button, then only one time toggle LED until I not press second time button after release. So, let's solve this problem. We create one Boolean for checking the state of the button, either pressed or released. Initially, the Boolean value is 0. When the button is pressed and the Boolean value is 0, then the LED toggle and this Boolean value change to 1. Now if we release the push button, it means the button value goes to 1 and also the Boolean value is 1. So we change the value of the Boolean to 0. And that's it. Now you can see that this problem is solved. And there you have it. You've successfully used the Raspberry Pi Pico W to read a digital input and toggle an LED. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time. Thank you for watching this video.